Hello and thank you for joining us. Today we will be discussing the difference between on-site servers and the cloud and how this can dramatically affect your dealership's business. Servers are the lifeblood of a business's IT infrastructure. They house files, applications, websites, remote access for employees, and more. Without them, your IT operations would come to a halt. Two popular types of servers are on-site servers and cloud-based servers. On-site servers are housed in a company's office, either in a server closet or at an on-premise data center. These servers can come in two forms, physical and virtual. Physical servers only run one operating system, while a virtual server can run multiple operating systems using software like VMware or Microsoft Hyper-V. Cloud-based servers, like Microsoft Azure and Amazon Web Services, allow companies to purchase space on servers hosted in different regions across the globe. Users have access to an online portal where they can access their servers and cloud infrastructure without the need for on-site server hardware. Now let's talk about some of the pros and cons of these solutions. Here are a few of the cons of on-site servers. One is the upfront costs. On-site servers typically come with a hefty upfront cost to purchase the servers and licensing for virtualization software. 3 or 4 physical servers can cost $10,000 or more, which is out of reach for some companies' IT budgets. You also have to think about maintenance. If your servers are stored on-premise, it is your responsibility to maintain the hardware, software, and server racks. This is a big responsibility, and companies must have adequate internal IT staff to manage it. Technology improves rapidly, and with on-premise servers, you are constrained to what was purchased. Any improvements to that server come at a cost compared to the cloud, where you get the benefits of constant updates. Eventually, the on-premise servers will be obsolete and potentially not even supported by the company that created the server and software. Another factor is limited storage. On-site servers have their limits. You can add more disk space, memory, and processing. But once you maximize the physical host's resources, you will need to purchase more hardware to accompany your growing needs, not to mention higher energy consumption costs. Physical servers require a dedicated room with power and cooling. The more servers you need, the bigger this room needs to be, and the more energy you consume to run the servers. Lastly is the need for data recovery services. With on-site servers that have not been virtualized, it can take hours or even days to restore lost or damaged data. That is, if the damage allows for restoration at all. Some businesses prefer to have their data stored on-site and have access to this in case the internet is down. However, as we have talked about, there is a cost to this. Now, let's talk about using the cloud. Scalability is a major factor for a lot of businesses. If your business is growing quickly, it's likely that your server needs will grow too. Adding space on the cloud is easy and more cost-effective than the alternative. Cloud-based servers will reduce your physical infrastructure costs as well as power costs, not to mention reducing your company's carbon footprint. With cloud-based servers, the cloud provider is responsible for server maintenance and updates. This frees up time for your internal IT team to focus on other issues. Now let's talk about that all-important factor, security. Cloud solutions may have better security protections than many on-premise solutions. As data continues to move away from local storage and physical locations and onto the cloud, businesses are seeing an increase in protection against malicious attacks, and this is a crucial factor when talking about your customers' information. Cloud-based servers also have built-in redundancies that many companies cannot afford in-house. This means your data can be restored fully and quickly in the event of a disaster. This can happen in a matter of minutes rather than days or weeks. Dominion DMS built on Microsoft Azure is a fast, safe, and secure way to access your data. Other DMS companies still build their systems on top of old, antiquated systems to try and make their system work for you today. At Dominion DMS, we build and update our system using the latest technology. Our Cloud Core DMS allows for superior customer experience and support. Our cutting-edge technology gives you the freedom to not only have a reliable, safe, and easy-to-use powerful DMS that you can access from anywhere with an internet connection today, but one that is built for your future success as well. Visit DominionDMS.com today to learn more and schedule your personalized demo.